Okay, so for a while I'm doing like a custom BlendshapeEditor. Why I did it? It's done due to the fact of like doing some shot modeling to influence multiple blend shapes. At this point, this version is just a GUI that I made. Also, animation holder is where all the attributes will be held. I'm not using any custom nodes, just my stuff. And Qt designer. This is written in PySide. I haven't used Qt designer for this. It's like written by hand. So at this point I have 3 classes: slider, checkbox, key button, and edit checkbox, and main window. Why is that? It's due to the fact because I will be doing like the GUI will be updated dynamically and will be placed in columns. So for example, I don't have anything to create bench and snipe now or something, but what I've done is like I have an add target with a pop-up information that there has to be a suffix and it has to be like a only with letters. So now I'm gonna do a first pass. For example, I'm gonna add the target. So I have the target here, and here for now I have like this one is connected, so I can use it. Also I have like a spin it up. I have this one here, so I have all the information here. This one here for visibility. I can add a second target, like on 10 frames. I'm gonna add it, and here, for example, I decided that I don't want to click any buttons here. I decided that I want to just switch between the targets, and this here is like it groups all the targets because the animation holder will be connected to all of the targets, but it will be connected to nodes that I could like turn off all of the targets for this pass with this name, so I can look at it. Second nodes here will be like turning off this here. I will be able to key the frames. I intend to check the frames slider and all the buttons. If the button is like will be keyed in that frame, then it will turn red. It will be easier for me. Also, I will probably add like my other shot modeling tool. I will add a option to turn on the graph editor and check all the keys if there are any, and add some buttons to export FBX. Probably I will do a drop down menu here for it, like export, import, and apply. So probably something will change. Maybe I will add some tutorial here how to use it. So recently I had a different versions look differently, but unfortunately by mistake I deleted it. Fortunately I had some progress in PyCharm saved, so I saved it. Also I managed to save my devs. So I have some devs here to find targets, get alias, hope it's working well, get highest. It's not finished, but here I have a good way to delete. Yeah, it's not finished, to delete targets. So really will have to work on it, because previous ones like was making some errors, and I find a way to make it easier. So I can make like a second class here at target. So what's happening is like this GUI is rebuilt every time I'm adding an attribute. So it's not like it's adding a it's not adding a widget, it's like rebuilding it from the scratch based on all the targets here. So I can see that I'm missing some features, like because I had a feature I need to add some script job for it to follow back when the animation is on. So yeah, we need to add a script job which is missing. I think it's going in the right direction. And that's it.